Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back today. You've guessed it, we're in downtown Kato Paphos. We're going to storm the harbour. Hopefully we get accosted, but before we do, I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ochin Krasivian Laboof.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again. Now stick with us, the first Goombaru on the block. Well, he's been a friend for a long time. He's known as the hairiest man in the whole of Paphos, and there he is, Mr. Yanis. Now, we saw you, Mr. Yanis, in canoodles with the policeman. Were you giving him a bit of a...
No.
He's
my
He's your Goombaru?
neighbor.
Is your neighbour?
Neighbor.
Could be a good man to know.
Three policemen.
As neighbours?
Yes.
Well, we're going to move in to buy you, that's for sure.
It's clear.
Thanks,
it's
Mr.
safe.
Yanis. Yes. These people want to book. Come on. Apparently they want to... No. Right. We'll see you in a bit, Mr. Yanis.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, don't worry. He's an absolute star, a great friend. Turns out he's got 3 policemen as neighbours. We're going to move into his neighbourhood, that's for sure. We're not going to hang around much longer. Let's have a look at this. That is the man who's in charge of the super jumbo. That is Mr. Rikos. He's an absolute star. So if you want to go out on a great boat with a glass bottom, see some turtles, have a look at a shipwreck, get some lunch, and all that for only 25 euros each, that's a bargain, that's for sure. Krasivian?
Mr. Paul, I've seen some people waving us and now you miss them.
Well, I'm too busy. I don't like to blank anyone. I didn't notice them. If they want to wave at us and find us, they can. There's the Goombarus, there's Major Tom, and there's Sweet Roxanne. Mr. Tom is coming round.
Right. Hello guys.
Yeah,
Just to let you know, today the Irish people came from you.
Where's my
they
commission?
They came from you. They come because they're watching Marika.
Good.
And they study there.
Good, excellent.
They came to
That's
me.
what we
They got a
like.
recommendation from me.
Lovely. That's what it's all about. 6 people. We need to help everybody. Lovely. Thanks, Roxanne. Lovely. So we are very pleased that 6 of our superstar family have booked on a cruise because of us, and we are unbelievably pleased about that. Have a look at that. First restaurant on the block is King's Restaurant. Busy. We're getting a big welcome from all the staff with the great smiles. Mr. Harris in the background. There's Bambus. There's another Goombaru. Hi, you all right? It's a busy restaurant, and the reason for that is because it's a very good restaurant indeed. The next restaurant on our block in the harbour area, well, that's the Pelican Restaurant. But just before the Pelican Restaurant, I mean, Tom, that's where you can book those cruises. But if you're wondering where to go to get onto that boat, next door to the Pelican Restaurant, which is there, is this alleyway. And there's one of our Goombarus coming down, so we'll go and shake his hand because he's in charge of one of the ships as well. You all right? You all right? Good?
Yeah,
good man. He's one of the captains. I think he's on the Ocean Flyer, but I'm not sure. There's so many boats, and this is where you come to get them all. Have a look at that. You've got the Ocean Flyer, you've got the Ocean Vision, you've got the Ocean Dream, you've got the Wave Dancer, you've got the Jolly Roger, you've got the Blue Lagoon Cruise, you've got the Angler, you've got fishing trips, all sorts.
And tomorrow my daughter with her boyfriend are going to the Ocean Vision to have a nice time there.
Yeah.
I wish you all the best.
Yeah, they're going to have a great time, as everyone else does, because we understand that Major Tom and Sweet Roxanne make that trip special, and all of the other Goombarus, all of the captains and all of the cleaners, everyone involved in it, make sure that you have a great time. Now, back to the Pelican Restaurant. There it is. The busiest restaurant in the whole of Paphos, possibly in Cyprus. There is Captain Andreas, he's in charge of it tonight, and it's filling up, that's for sure. Have a look at that. Absolutely packed out. And they're back of right, Andreas? There he is. Best restaurant in the whole of Paphos, and possibly the busiest restaurant in Paphos.
For the moment, yes, I'm the busier one.
In the world. In the world. A great guy, and he'll always look after you. And if there's 3 or 4 of you, normally at the end of the meal, you will get a free meal. Just going to take you to the back of the restaurant to show you the star, the person who actually owns the restaurant. Her name is Miss Coco, and she's pruning herself and getting herself ready for tonight's performance, that's for sure. There she is. Having a little prune, having a little clip, making sure that everything is absolutely perfect before she goes on stage and poses with the Goombarus for all the photographs. And she gets those little treats. Now, we've lost Miss Ochin Gracivia LaBouffe, but we understand where she is. She is at our favourite restaurant, and that restaurant is the Jalama. There we are, there she is. And next door to Gracivia LaBouffe is the manager in my favourite shirt. Good, yeah, good. Mr. Emmanuel. He's been upset, he's not been on camera for a while. There he is, absolute star. Training manager. That's the rear house, ice cream parlour extraordinaire. And that's the front of house extraordinaire. Table number 18 obviously is ours. Lovely. We'll see him in a bit on the way back. The next restaurant, Sail at the Castle. Standing over there is the man in charge tonight, and that is Six Pack Andy, an absolute superstar among superstars. And there's their front of house. Busy, 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 busy. Look at that. Absolutely packed out. The last little opportunities to get a drink or a snack on the harbour. That one is called Stevie's, and as usual, have a look up for this. Those are my words. Those are my words. That's not the manager, that's the boss. So, if you want a half-price drink, look for that man there.
Free drinks, not half
Free
price.
drinks. Free.
Why half price? Free drinks
Free
for
drinks.
you.
For me.
For you.
We'll be coming back later. Thanks, Mr. Costa. There's the Gamma Jubba. There we are. Absolutely packed out. We'll see him on the way back. It's a great, great restaurant with a great, great vibe and very, very friendly staff indeed. Normally, 6 nights a week. Tonight's his night off. There is the man, the one and only superstar known as Mr. Ulala Henry. And we miss him the nights he's not here because his personality alone certainly lights up the Kato Paphos harbour. Have a look at that. Or, as the Pain Boys call it, LaBouffe harbour. We're talking about a LaBouffe. There she is. There we are. Absolutely. Hi, you okay? There we are.
Yeah, about our Ulala man, he's an atmosphere maker. He's a good profession on his duty, and always trying to be smiley, friendly, and in a good mood. I don't know anybody much
More bubbly.
yeah.
He's very, very good at his job. He can chat to you until the sun goes down, that's for sure. He'll always make you laugh, and he'll entice you into that bar. And once you've been there once, normally you'll go back again and again. It's got a great vibe, and the drinks are good. Prices are not too bad, and the food, especially the pancakes, by the way, are very, very tasty indeed.
Yeah, the pancakes are our diet destroyer.
Yeah, at this moment in time, we're coming towards the end of the summer season, and, well, shall we say, my belly and Miss Ochin Gracivia LaBouffe's belly has absorbed quite a bit of food, and we've added quite a few calories, and we blame all of you people that have accosted us and then come and had a drink with us or a meal with us. And the two biggest culprits of all, I think, are so Sweet Caroline and Nigel Big Guns Carter, because we wined and dined with them non-stop.
You think it's all their fault?
It is. I'm going to blame them.
You're going to blame them?
I'm going to blame them.
Oh my goodness. No, not very nice.
I'm also going to blame Josie and Steve as well.
I'm going to thank all of them.
Yes.
Thanks all of you for inviting us and for making a company with us, for watching us, for attention, for your time, for the nice reviews that you are writing, all of you, for requests and more things.
Right, stick with us. We are now going past the classic motorbike museum. So €5 of silver, in you go, and you get to have a damn good look around. €10 of silver, and you can take all of your family in there. And there's some nice bikes in there, some retro bikes, some very, very old bikes indeed. And you're going to have a great, should we say 30 minutes to an hour if you're into your bikes. Very, very cheap, and it's fully air conditioned, which at this time of year is quite nice indeed. There's the Gumbaru again. There he is. He's posing. He likes to have a little pose. There we are. Right, let's get to the rear of the Kato Paphos harbour, and we will share with you the beauty and the spectacality of the blue Mediterranean Sea. So stick with us. There's the castle, and there's the blue Mediterranean Sea in the distance. So stick with us as we get Miss Ochin Gracivia LaBouffe into position. I think you'll need a hand, don't you, Gracivia? Because Gracivia has gone and bought herself some new shoes, and well, she's a little bit taller than she used to be, that's for sure. Up you go, Gracivia LaBouffe.
You're joking.
Come on, Gracivia LaBouffe. you want me to go first and pull you up? I'll go up and pull you up.
You go up.
I'll go up first. Right, stick with us. There we are.
Wait. It's not easy,
There we are.
by the
Right.
way. And
Go and get your jumper on the rock and let's have a little bit of chuchka dancing. Stick with us. Here we go. Go on, Goomba LaBouffe.
wow, what a view! What a view! Oh my God, who's gonna kill me?
There we go.
One day.
That is the Chuchka Rock, or the Goomba LaBouffe Rock. Take it away, Goomba.
Please don't ask for the rear end.
Well, I was hoping for the rear
I
end.
don't know how to jump off.
Right, let's get her off again.
Anyway,
Let's just have the rear end, shall we? There we go. Women in their heels, eh? Perhaps next time I'll wear them and see how we get on. We'll certainly fall on our arse if that's the case. Right, here's the view. Blue, Mediterranean Sea coming up. Have a look at that. Absolutely spectacular. A little bit of chopsiness in the sea as usual. And the last few golden rays of gold before it vanishes. But don't worry, it'll be back first thing in the morning. Goomba LaBouffe, what have you got to say?
I would like to say to you that we are enjoying every work we do, but we will be enjoying more if you will accost us and if you will walk with us, as we did many times with some other people. Please don't forget to come to see another of our lovely madnesses, and we're loving you to bits. And many kisses. Bye-bye.
All it's left for me to say is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and, well, please come back for a little bit more of our madness. We'll leave you with the beauty, the spectacality, and the blueness of the blue Mediterranean Sea and the sky off the coastline to the rear of the Kato Paphos harbour as we come round to the castle. And there it is. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And that's what's waiting for you. Absolutely spectacular.